24 Sweet Lime Villa. Right as you come into the Sweet Lime 2 entrance, you come into this nicely paved area, all new paved parking area here. You got a 2-car spot. And then you step down, got a nice sturdy handrail. A couple of small flights into the entry foyer where there's a Mrs. Scheuer. Whoa! Hello! Then you come into the ground floor. Now this is a tower unit. You got a little step up here. A little bit of a tile issue there, which could be fixed. The unit does need some work. It's got a lot of its original cabinetry and stuff, so there's gonna definitely be some upgrades, but it's a chance to get in on a unit that you could really redo to your own specs. On this level, you've got the living room, guest bedroom and bath, deck, and kitchen over here, and that's looking out. What's cool about these windows, they're made of Imbuia, which is a hardwood out of South America, and they swing out, and they also louver open, so if you close them, you can just open the louvers. But if you're living here and you want the open air feel, it's nice to completely open them up. Kitchen's a bit dated, definitely needs some upgrades, but hello. But a lot of potential here. A lot of people will refinish these cabinets and keep them, put different doorknobs and stuff on them, and then just lay new countertops, which is a nice way to freshen up the original Imbuia wood, because it is a really valuable hardwood. Got your washer dryer here, hot water heater. And then shoot out to the deck. Got a nice big expansive deck. And Stephanie and I were noting, this is as high as you can get at Sweet Lime. We are literally as high as we could possibly be here at the Sweet Lime Villas. As you can look, all the other units are lower level than this one. So this is top of the hill, looking down on the pool. That's looking north that way. And it's a big open patio, so you've got some covered area for shade. In fact, this whole area, this time of day, what is it now? A little after noon, and we're getting lots of shade from this tower unit. That's the master bedroom up there. Then you come into the guest bedroom from the patio as well. And here you can see louvered opening with the closed window. Here's open window, which I kind of like better. You get a lot of light, a lot more air. But if it's a buggy night or something, you're going to want to close them for the screens. And as you can see, this passes through to the living room. Walk-in closet. Has another window in here. I didn't open that one, but you could if you wanted. Tub, shower, and then this connects through to the back to the living room. Voila. And then there's a linen closet here. Some people make this the owner's closet if you're doing rentals. You could put all your personal stuff in here. But that's the ground floor. So you got one bedroom, one full bath on this level with the kitchen, living room, patio, nice entry foyer, stairs up to the parking area, and then now we'll shoot upstairs and check out the master bedroom. Okay, a window meets you here at the top, left to the bedroom, right to the bathroom. Big bathroom. It's the original tub and shower from when the place was built back in the, I don't know, it was like late 80s, early 90s. So you're definitely going to want to consider some upgrades here. I mean, it's livable as is. You could totally live here and chip away at stuff if you want, but obviously in time you're going to want to upgrade the faucets and stuff like that. Another window open here looking out. And then we'll cruise into the bigger walk-in closet. This actually has carpet in it, which you could easily remove and lay down tile. I don't know what's under that carpet. There may be hardwood under it. Just have to take it out and see, but as you can see why they call it a tower unit. That ceiling's probably 20-ish feet tall. Unfortunately, that hurricane shutter's closed because there's actually a really nice view looking out here. Unfortunately, I can't show you at the moment because I don't have the ability to open that shutter, but normally you'll have a king bed against this wall. And as you can kind of see looking across the valley, there'll be a beautiful valley view out over the pool there from this window. So that's the upstairs. Used to have an old style split there. They put a window unit in there. But that's the second level. So 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, highest point on Sweet Line. So you're literally at the top of the hill. And yeah, need some work, but hey, this is a great spot, best location in the complex. And if you're looking for something to make your own, here's your chance. So give us a holler if you want to check it out. Hope you all have a great day. Talk to you later.